Hello students, I hope all are doing good. So we're going to start with our next problem. 11th one, y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square whole divided by 1 plus x square, where your x is less than 1 but greater than 0. So how we have to solve when your inverse trigonometric is there? I have already said you the inside part will first simplify our inside part so that our cos inverse and cos get cancels, and remaining what part will be there, for that part we differentiate. Okay, don't directly do the differentiation. So how we going to solve? We have the formulas I have given you yesterday, so we have to make sure in which formulas we can put it, rectify it, so that we get cos inverse, and this inside part should be with cos itself, so that inverse and cos get cancels. So our next step is what? Put. So how we going to do? We have a formula for cos 2 theta, that is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. I have given you formulas, just go it through. So put x is equal to tan theta. So mine x I will be replacing with tan theta. So the above question becomes what? Y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta whole divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Yes, we have got it. So 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta formula, what it is? Cos 2 theta. So this will be replaced by cos 2 theta. So this is y. So this is y is equal to cos inverse, and this is cos 2 theta. So as I have said you, my cos inverse and cos get cancels off. Yes, this cos inverse, this cos get cancels off. I will be left with y is equal to what? Only 2 theta. So I will be left with 2 theta. But after coming here, even theta I have to replace because my question is an x, right? But I am getting here theta. To differentiate, I should replace my theta. See here, x is equal to tan theta. So theta will be what? Tan inverse x. When it goes to the here, it becomes tan inverse. So it becomes what? Y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So here you have got a proper question, simplified question. Now after this step, we will differentiate it. So differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx, 2 into d by dx tan inverse x. Yes, see here I am telling you, you can apply your UV rule, but at the end you will come up with what directly I am doing itself. Okay, only u part will be remaining because this is your constant, so v part automatically will be 0, right? So only u part will be remaining. So what you will get, dy by dx, 2 into differentiation of tan inverse x, dy by dx, 2, keep it as it is, differentiation of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. So your final answer is dy by dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. See, again you have got same answer. In your previous example also you have got the same, and here you have got the same. We will see our next problem, 13th one. Y is equal to cos inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, where your x is less than 1 and greater than minus 1. So in the same way, right, they have given y is equal to, so what we will do, our x, we change it to x is equal to tan theta. So y is equal to cos inverse, we get 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And this formula is for what? We know, right? It is for sin 2 theta. Yes, now so many you have done. 2 tan theta whole divided by 1 plus tan square theta is your sin 2 theta. So this will be replaced by sin 2 theta. So here you can see this 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta. But as you can see, my cos and sin, so doesn't cancels. So here what we're going to do, you have studied in your PUC level, right? Your half angle formula is sin 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to what? Sin theta. Yes, you have learnt this half complementary angles. This we call as complementary angles, right? This is our complementary angles. So in the same way, sin theta, this we can consider as sin theta. Mine here theta value is what? 2 theta. This I can consider as a whole sin theta, right? And sin theta is given as how? Cos of 90 minus theta. So this will be changed by, this will be replaced by cos 90 minus theta. Here theta is what? Here whole 2 theta it is. So here theta is 2 theta. So as you can see, my cos inverse and cos get cancels. I'll be left with what? 90 minus 2 theta. So 90 minus 2 theta. So again you have got your proper y value. Now we will do our differentiation part. Before doing differentiation, we have to replace our theta, right? So here on I have written it is equal to 90 minus 2. Theta is changed to what? Tan inverse x. See, whenever you are replacing theta means you have to go to the value of x. Where you have put your x, you have with theta. So theta should be replaced by, in this only, theta will be tan inverse x. So theta is what? Tan inverse x. Now we differentiate with respect to x. So how it will be? dy by dx 90 minus 2 d by dx of tan inverse x. So the differentiation, dy by dx of 90 is what? 0, obvious. Why? Because it is a constant. Minus 2, differentiation of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. So your final answer dy by dx, you will get what? This is 0. Here you are left with minus 2 by 1 plus x square. So this is your final answer. 2 into 1 is 2 only, right? Minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Please be careful of your signs also. Okay, you have here minus. This is minus 2 by 1 plus x square. The next problem, 14th one, y is equal to sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square, where your x lies between 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2, means it is less than 1 by root 2 and greater than minus 1 by root 2. Now here you can see 2 tan theta or root of 1 minus tan square theta, you don't have that formulas as per I have given you so many. So in this 1 minus root 1 minus tan square theta, root of 1 minus tan square theta you don't have, but you have 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. So when such problem comes, so you should make sure which formulas, what you have to replace the x. See, whenever you have with the root and 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square, you can put either sine or cos. In this only goes what? Sin theta or cos theta. If you have such things, only sine or cos goes. If you have 1 by 1 plus x square, like in your previous sums you had 2x by 1 plus x square, then 1 minus x square whole divided by 1 plus x square. If you have such thing, you can go directly for tan or cot. If you have such thing root of, then you can go for sine or cos. Where if you put root of 1 minus sine square theta, 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta, and again root get cancels. Yes. So now we will solve this problem. So we will solve, we have write the given. So as I have said you, either you can put sine theta or cos theta, you will get same answer. So I am putting put x is equal to sine theta. So you will get y is equal to sine inverse 2 sine theta root of 1 minus sine square theta. So here you see first inside you solve 1 minus sine square theta is what? You have the formula, right? Cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. You have this formula. If I take my sine square theta this side, I will be left with what? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta. So inside your root it will be cos square theta. So your root and cos square theta. So your this root and this root get cancelled. So I will be left with only cos theta. Yes, when you have root and 1 by 2, it get cancels, right? So I'll get here what? Cos theta. Root of 1 minus sine square theta is your cos square theta, and again your this root and square get cancels, you get cos theta. So you can see 2 sine theta cos theta, I've got 2 sine theta cos theta is what? Sine 2 theta. So I'm getting sine 2 theta. Again sine and sine get cancels. So your y is equal to 2 theta. Now replacing theta, theta is what? Sine inverse x. So y is equal to 2 sine inverse x. Now you have got proper y. Now we will differentiate it. So you got y is equal to sine inverse x. So differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to, keep your 2 as it is, into differentiating sine inverse x. So 2 differentiation of sine inverse x, what is that? It is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So dy by dx, you are getting dy by dx is equal to 2 by root of 1 minus x square. So this is your final answer. Okay, please be careful. Our next problem, 15th one, y is equal to sec inverse 1 by 2x square minus 1, where your x is less than 1 by root 2 but greater than 0. In the same way, here also you can see you have 1 by 2x square. So even here tan formula you don't have, right? 1 by 2 tan square theta you don't have, and you have here sec inverse, and this is 1 by. Okay, so to get sec should get cancelled, right? This is sec inverse, and here also you should have sec only. So 1 by cos is sec. So you have to check the formulas in your cos. I have given you cos formulas. Your one formula cos by 2 theta, it is 2 cos square theta minus 1. You have this formula, right? 2 cos square theta minus 1 I have given you. So many of cos 2 theta formulas you have. In that one is 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 2 cos theta. So I can put my x as cos, right? Because sec reciprocal is cos. Your cosec reciprocal is sine. So you have to go through in such a way. So put your x as cos theta. Putting x as cos theta, so you will get y is equal to sec inverse 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Sec inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1 is what? Cos 2 theta. So 1 by cos 2 theta. 1 by cos is what? Sec. You have studied this in your 10th. 1 by cos, 1 by tan, 1 by cot, 1 by cosec. So please be aware of that also. So 1 by cos theta is sec 2 theta. So now here sec inverse and sec get cancels, and you will be left with only 2 theta. So you get y is equal to 2 theta. So obvious at coming to theta, here you have to replace your theta. Theta is what? Cos inverse x, right? Because x you had taken as cos theta. So its reverse will be cos inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 2 into dy by dx of cos inverse x. So differentiation of your cos inverse x is what? Yes, is minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, your dy by dx value is what? Minus sign is there. Minus 2 1s are 2 root by 1 minus x square. So, this is your final answer. If you have such problems, please check the formulas. If you have done the formulas properly, if you are aware of the formulas properly, then you can do it. If you have in root of 1 minus 1 square, root of 1 plus x square, directly go for sin theta or cos theta substitution. Normal, if you have 1 plus x square, directly go for tan theta substitution. Okay. Thank you.